Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're having a closer look at the Japan Racing JR27. So the JR27 is another wheel for the Euro market, so it's only available in 18 inches and it's only available in two widths, 8.5 and 9.5. Because it's designed with Euro cars in mind, it comes in quite high offsets, so this means it'll bolt straight onto cars like VW Golfs, Audi A4s, that sort of thing, with no problems at all. So this wheel here is the 18 by 9.5, and with a small stretch tyre, it'll go straight on a Mark 7 VW Golf. The JR27 comes in two PCDs from factory, 5x100 for like Mark 4 Golfs and Seat Mark 1s, that sort of thing, and 5x112 for the later German cars like your Golfs and your Audi A3s. However, we can get them custom made, so if you want to put them on your BMW or your Nissan or whatever, we can get these custom drilled in any PCD between 5x100 and 5x120. As for colours, it's available in the silver, which you can see here, and it's quite a flat silver, and it's available in gloss black as well. So two colour choices there. So this wheel has a twisted mesh centre, so it's rotated one way. It does only rotate one way, so bear that in mind. And it has a very slight lip that flows into the face. It's a subtle wheel design. So if you're after that flat face look for your car, then.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.